Hello friends, I'm Dr. Kainth with Maple Primary Care, and I wanted to give you another healthcare hint today. Remember, healthcare hints are little tips that you can think about during your everyday life to avoid illness, avoid injury, and to take better care of your health. So today I wanted to answer a question for you. Did you know why you are more prone to injury as you get older? So, I want to teach you about tendons and ligaments. Very, very simple. Think about tendons and ligaments as rubber bands. Have you ever played with an old rubber band before? If you have noticed that old rubber bands snap very easily. So think of that when you're thinking about your tendons and your ligaments. As we get older, our tendons and our ligaments are not as flexible and not as elastic. So you may want to think twice before you do certain activities. So certain activities that I used to love as a child, but I do not participate in anymore. Number one, soccer. Love soccer, loved to play soccer, but I don't participate in it anymore. I'll kick a ball around here and then, but I won't play games because of the pivoting and the turning and the risk of injury. Number two, I don't go bouncing on trampolines anymore. Trampolines are very, very notorious to cause an ACL injury, so that's not something I do. In conjunction with a trampoline, I don't go bouncing around in bounce houses anymore. So if you have that urge at your next children's party to go into the bounce house and have some fun, think twice. So I'm Dr. Kainth with Maple Primary Care. I hope this healthcare hint has helped you. If you like what you hear, please follow me at Healthcare Hints with Dr. K.